Okay. Hey y'all. So I just finished watching Mariah Carey's Triumphant Get 'Em featuring Rick Ross and Mickey Mouse. So let me first start with. Well, shit, I'm not sure where I should start by figuring out what the fuck is wrong with my camera and why it's so grainy. I'm not sure what's wrong with this thing. Y'all see that? It's really grainy looking. I don't like the way that looks. That's blurred. Restart. That's better. A little better. Alright. Let me go into, well, the video was based on like this boxing event where Mickey Mouse was boxing and Mariah Carey and Santa Ross were on the sidelines cheering her on and things. And if you see my song review of the song, or yeah, song review, the same notion applies, so no need for me to reiterate what I said then. Because the video is kind of the same thing, basically. The song itself is a good song, great song, actually. I, for one, and no shade to Mariah and the Lambs, feel the same way. They just won't say it the way I will because they're your lambs. And how do I know the lambs feel the same way? Because I have lambs on Twitter who I've seen tweeting about the video. So they feel the same way too. The song is not it's not enough Mariah Carey for it to be called a Mariah Carey song, if you ask me. It seems more like a Mariah Carey feature. Because she sings the hook and the bridge. That's it. And Meek Mill starts off rapping, then Rick Ross does the verse, then Mariah does the chorus in between both of those, then she does the bridge and the final chorus. That's it. And for me, I wanted, and the video is like the same, well, not bad. The video is the same way. It's like, the only time you see Mariah is when she walking across the little stage, little thing, and doing her little chorus and her bridge. That's it. I mean, it's a Mariah Carey song, so I expect a lot more of Mariah Carey than Mickey Mouse and Santa Claus. I mean, that's just my personal opinion, and the Lambs, or the majority of the Lambs, feel the same way as well. So it is what it is. It's a nice video though, and the song, like I said, is nice. There's a remix too. Um, I forget the exact title of the remix, but there's a remix where it's just Mariah. I believe they should have went with that because I've heard that remix and it's really good. I like that better than this one with Santa Ross and Mickey Mouse. DJ Khaled was a cameo on the video, and you know how I feel about him. But that's basically it. I mean, I hope the next single is like real Mariah Carey stuff. Like it seems like this was forced. It was like let's put the hot rappers of now on this song. For me, that's what it seemed like. So, okay, who's hot now? Mickey Mouse, Santa Claus, Two Spoon, Two Chain, Two Bracelets. Um, who else? That other guy, the one that's riding around with that nigga and smoking on Keisha. That song. Whoever sings that, I think that's Two Chain. Whoever, him. So it was like, let's pull these random rappers out and put them on this song so it could be like hot, I guess. The song's good by itself. So, had Mariah Carey went and did this song all by herself, I probably would have liked it a lot more than I do now. So, that's what it is. It's nice videos. Like I said, Mariah Carey looks amazing to just have twins. Like, within the past, what was it, year and a half maybe? She just had her twins, and well, Mariah Carey's known for that. Like, her weight will go up, and then, like, the next day she'll be back to, like, her honey days where she's jumping in the pool and coming out, listening, and fine. So, I love Mariah Carey. All the next single was different, if you will. That's about it. So, I will see you. for CCYL. We're about to go watch Trey Songz new video for Hail Mary and see how we feel about that. So, that's all. Peace. So damn about it.